Mariam Legal Consult Free Online Legal Clinic is here again. You're welcome. And I should apologize. It's been a while posted. My apology is because I've been busy lately. Today, we want to talk about something we call arrest in lieu, legality of arrest in lieu. From the messages we received, we saw one that somebody sent on behalf of an old man, as he described him, that something happened in their locality, and they all went to the police station to make a report. And when they reported, the old man was actually part of the people that went to lodge the complaint against that man's son, actually, because of what he did, which they did not disclose. He now said the police now started asking the man where his son was, and the man said, "I don't know where this guy is." And they insisted that if the man did not produce the guy, that they would arrest the man and they will hold him down until the boy comes around. And so he sent out a message on what is the way out. Although they've not arrested the man, but they are afraid that they may arrest the man as okay. This is what we call arrest in lieu. You know, actually, the law has specific. Before they used to do this, actually, and because it became rampant, the law has expressly made a provision that nobody should be arrested or nobody can be arrested in place of another person. Meaning that if somebody commits an offense, another person cannot be arrested for that offense, irrespective of their relationship, whether husband and wife, whether father and son, whether mother and daughter, irrespective of their relationship. Each individual is recognized as separate entity in the eyes of the law. So nobody can be arrested because of the offense or a wrong committed by another person. And if that happens, of course, there are legal remedies somebody can take against the police or whichever law enforcement agency that seeks to do that. And meanwhile, we on our side, we have to be careful in the sense that there's an offense we call screening of offenders. That is when you hide or protect somebody that has committed an offense so that he will not be arrested. This is where the police or other law enforcement agencies usually hide. For example, they may say that you are hiding your son, that is why we are not able to see him. We have to be careful in the sense that we should not do anything that would suggest that we are hiding an offender or we are hiding somebody, we are trying to protect or shield somebody who has committed an offense, because we have a legal and moral duty as a citizen in this country to actually expose somebody who has committed an offense. This is in the interest of everybody. It is in your own interest and it is also in the interest of the general populace. You can imagine if you have a son or a relative who is into robbery, who is into kidnapping, who is into this, and you are protecting him. It means protecting that person means that you are exposing the lives of other people into danger. So you are exposing their lives to danger. So we actually need to support the security agencies to expose whoever he has committed an offense. Be that as it may, the police or whichever the law enforcement agency cannot legally arrest somebody who has not committed an offense simply because they are not able to find the person who has committed an offense. And if that happens, there are remedies. One, you can decide to petition them administratively to report such police officer to Police Service Commission and even the IG, so that they can kind of try him in their administratively, so that he can face the trial and all that. Then alternatively, you can also sue the person to court and claim remedies for unlawful arrest and false imprisonment. That is under civil tort. And if you don't want to go under tort, you can also file an action for fundamental rights, because since you are not supposed to be arrested, maybe the fact that you are arrested means that your liberty, freedom to right to liberty has been jeopardized. So you can actually sue them under Section 35 to enforce your fundamental right. And in which case, either fundamental right or under thought of false imprisonment and unlawful arrest, you can claim remedies. You can claim compensation, rather. You can claim compensation depending on your class, depending on for how long you were arrested, depending on where and how you were arrested, depending on who and who witnessed, whether in the public or in private, depending on the level of embarrassment and harassment. So you will get damages. And again, you can also lodge a criminal complaint against such police officer for abuse of office. You understand? So you can actually go through these remedies either administratively or by filing a civil action or by filing a criminal complaint against such officer for abuse of office. So all these are remedies available if there is any a kind of arrest in lieu committed by any of the police officers or law enforcement agencies, because Administration of Criminal Justice Acts as well as Administration of Criminal Justice laws of various states have actually prohibited this arrest in lieu. So in case this happens to you or to the gentleman who made this report and tried to know the way out, these are the way out. So you can contact your lawyer and seek remedy appropriately. Thank you very much. Once again, you will do us a lot of favor and the general public a favor by sharing this video and also liking this video. Let's have as much engagement as possible so that other people can benefit. The more you share, the more people will benefit. We are doing our part as corporates, our responsibility to talk about legal issues as it may affect individuals. So you too, you can do your simple part by just sharing this video. Thank you very much. And in case you have other story or any other inquiry you want to make, you can just contact us through our various platform. Our WhatsApp link is on our Facebook page. That is Mariam Legal Consults. On our YouTube is at Mariam Legal. Our TikTok at Mariam Legal. Then you can also see us on Instagram and on X. That is at Mariam Legal 23. Thank you very much.